Snack time. Grab something in here. Here we go. Oh, okay. Oh. Today we got the sun chip with the pretzel combo. Okay, right here. Here we go. Wow, we have half the pretzel and we also have the sun chip right here. Okay, and that sun chip is a little bent. So we have this pretzel right here, which symbolizes that you are pretty much almost there in your life. You're really close. You just need this other part. But the piece that might fit it might not be exactly what you're expecting to fit it right here onto the piece, and it might not seem like a weird exact fit, but actually putting these two things together will be delicious, just like in your life.